Today, I'll reveal how you can create an epic movie using AI right from your computer.
In a world where might meets technology,
Guess it's time for the giant to rise. I am Berna.
when the city's heart is under attack,
Time to bring the thunder.
one man stands between greed and justice.
I rescue the streets we move. Still remain the giant. I bring peace. Rise with Berna Boy.
The best part is you can create similar video like this one you just watched from your computer just by using the tools that we show in this video. Everything from the dialogues, the visuals, and the music were created with AI in this video. I'm going to show you the exact steps I used to create the cinematic video. All right, let's kick things off. The initial step is crafting a storyline for our movie. If you've got one in mind, fantastic. But if not, no need to fret. Enter Gravity Write, an amazing tool to assist us in writing any content. Visit gravity.com. Click Start Writing for free, then navigate to Filmmaking Tools. Choose New Idea, click Create Content, and voila! Your trailer script is ready in a matter of seconds. Now that our trailer script is ready, let's move on to generating our videos using AI. Unfortunately, direct video generation isn't possible, but we can create images and then transform them into videos. I'll be using Midjourney, a popular tool that swiftly converts text into images. Keep in mind, Midjourney is a paid tool, but an alternative is Playground AI, offering similar functionality. Visit midjourney.com and join using Discord. Provide descriptions for the desired pictures, ensuring the quality aligns with the prompts you give. Remember the importance of quality prompts for good results. Recall Gravity Write, the tool mentioned earlier? It aids us by providing excellent prompts directly from the movie script. Return to Gravity Write, copy our script, then navigate to AI image generation prompts. Fill in the fields with your script and click Create. Next, we copy our generated prompt and paste it in Midjourney. Please note the prompts should be copied one by one and pasted in Midjourney to create an image for each scene. These images are precisely what our movie requires. Select the picture you prefer and click on the corresponding button. Make your choices. Notice how our image has been instantly enhanced. If you're new to Midjourney and want to learn the ropes, you can start by watching some tutorials on Midjourney. All right, let me download this image to my computer. Similarly, AI will generate all the other images required for our movie. Now we've got all the necessary pictures ready for our film. We've progressed from a basic idea to a comprehensive movie script and have even crafted impressive visuals. Now let's explore how we can transform these images into a video, because ultimately, that's what we need to create a movie, isn't it? The next thing we want to do is to animate all our images we downloaded from Midjourney or Playground. We are going to use a free tool called Runway. So visit RunwayML.com, sign in, and click on Start with Images. Upload your image file and click the Generate button. Please note that you can only upload your image one by one, so you need to repeat the same process for all other scenes. You can download this one by clicking the top right corner and save the generated animation in your folder. Following that, Our next step is to incorporate the voices of various characters. To achieve this, we'll utilize the free tool called 11 Labs, accessible at 11labs.io. Simply sign in, input your character's text, and the tool will automatically transform it into voice. Return to Gravity Right, copy the text, and paste it for each character scene.
I am Burna Boy.
Now, moving forward, our task is to synchronize the lip movements with the voice in our animated video obtained from the Runway tool. To accomplish this, we'll employ the free tool Lalamoo, which can be found at lalamoo.studio. Keep in mind that I've included the links to all 6 necessary websites below this video.
I am Burna Boy. 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 I am Burna Boy.
Our subsequent step involves compiling our individual animations by uploading them via clipchamp.com. Let's select all the videos and upload.
I am Burna Boy. I am Burna Boy.
We should also not forget to add background music in this project. We'll be using pixabay.com to get free background music. After tailoring the edits to your liking, you'll have a complete movie clip ready for sharing. You can now export and upload it to your preferred social media channel and make money from your production. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your movie today and share your experience in the comment section below. We appreciate your support, and it keeps us motivated to bring you more content. That wraps up our behind-the-scenes process. If you found this insightful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.